My name is David Rendall, and I can't wait to see you in New Orleans for the NBAA conference. Big, easy, bright futures. I hope you register. I'd love to see you there. I have a simple question that I want to talk to you about. What if your biggest weakness was also your biggest strength? What if the things that people told you was the worst thing about you were actually the best things about you? What if the way you've been trying to get better is actually making you worse? What if the way that you're trying to help other people get better, your spouse, your children, your employees, your coworkers, is making them worse? I know it sounds like a ridiculous question, but that's what I want to talk to you about. I've discovered that the things that look like our weaknesses are actually our biggest strengths. And oftentimes the way we try to get better actually makes us worse. And if you want a brighter future, there's actually a different way to find it than what everyone else tells you. My name is David Rendall. Again, I can't wait to see you at the NBAA conference in New Orleans, May 5th through 7th. Register today. I cannot wait to see you there.